In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to incorporate a video from YouTube into your PowerPoint presentation. Have you ever found yourself preparing for a presentation, wishing you could directly embed those insightful or engaging videos you found on YouTube, seamlessly integrating them into your slides for a more dynamic and interactive session? Well, you're in luck. This process is straightforward, and in the next few minutes I'll walk you through each step to make your PowerPoint presentations more vibrant and captivating with the addition of YouTube videos. Let's start with opening your Microsoft PowerPoint application. This step is as simple as it sounds. Locate the PowerPoint icon on your computer and double-click to launch it. Once open, you'll be greeted with the PowerPoint startup screen, which is your gateway to creating or opening presentations. Next, proceed to open your existing file from the opening screen. If you've recently worked on the presentation, it should appear in the list of available documents. Otherwise, you can click on Open and navigate to the location where your presentation is stored. Select it and it will load up ready for your creative touches. Now it's time to add your video. Look for the Insert tab at the top of PowerPoint. This tab is your tool shed for adding all sorts of content into your slides, from images to shapes, and crucially for us today, videos. After clicking Insert, direct your attention to the video button in the toolbar. You'll find that PowerPoint offers several options for video insertion, but since we're focusing on integrating YouTube content, you'll want to select Online Videos. This opens up the possibility not just for YouTube, but for any video you can find a link for online. Once you've selected Online Videos, a dialog box will pop up asking for the video link. This is where you'll paste the URL of the YouTube video you wish to insert into your slide. To get this link, simply go to YouTube, find the video you want, click on the share button beneath the video, and copy the link provided. After pasting the YouTube video link into the designated field in PowerPoint, you'll notice the Insert button becomes clickable. Go ahead and click on Insert. PowerPoint will then work its magic, embedding the video directly into your selected slide. You'll see a thumbnail representation of the video accompanied by playback controls. It's worth noting a couple of key points at this stage. First, internet access is required to play YouTube videos during your presentation, as the content is streamed online rather than being stored directly in your presentation file. This ensures that the video is always up to date, but does mean you'll want to ensure you have a reliable internet connection when presenting. Second, customization is your friend. Once the video is embedded, you can resize and reposition it just like any other element in PowerPoint. Click and drag on the corners of the video frame to resize, or click and drag the video to move it to a different part of the slide. This flexibility allows you to tailor the arrangement of your slide to best suit your presentation's aesthetic and objectives, and there you have it. In just a few minutes, you've successfully added a dynamic layer to your PowerPoint presentation by embedding a YouTube video. This technique is brilliant for enhancing your presentations, making it more engaging for your audience by incorporating multimedia elements directly into your narrative. Remember, practice makes perfect. So I encourage you to explore this feature further, experimenting with different videos and slide layouts to discover what works best for your specific needs. PowerPoint is a robust tool, and mastering these kinds of features can elevate your presentations from good to great. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial on how to put a video on PowerPoint from YouTube. I hope this guide has been helpful and that you're now more confident in adding videos to your presentations. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy presenting.